welcome to Sushi's Me World. Today we're going to do a fun craft. And do you know what it is? It's a terrarium. A terrarium is basically an aquarium, but plants live in there, not fish. A terrarium can be opened or closed. Today we're going to show you how to do a closed terrarium. Let's start. The things that we need for our terrarium is a glass container with lid, some blue sparkling stones for our river, a cup of horticultural charcoal, some large stones and pebbles, some moss and some wood chips, a bowl of container soil, 3 to 4 small plants. The first one that I chose is bird's nest fern. Our second plant is pink Fittonia nerve plant. Our third plant is strawberry begonia. And my final plant is some ferns. The first step is to place your smaller stones around the bottom of your terrarium. You can either fill the whole bottom or just around the edges. I wanted the stones to have a dominant look, so I left the middle bare. Look at my completed first layer. The second step is to add about 1 inch of horticultural charcoal to the bottom of the glass jar. This is to keep bacteria from growing and the terrarium smelling fresh. This is especially important in the closed terrarium. Look at my finished charcoal layer. The next step is to add in your potting soil. I used enough dirt so the container was roughly 1/3 full. This allows enough room for the roots to spread out and grow freely. My third soil layer is complete. This is how our glass container looks like once all of our layers are complete. The next step is to plant your moisture-loving plants in your terrarium. Since I was going to make a river using my blue stones, I left space in the front to make it prominent. I put 4 small plants in my terrarium, which might have been pushing it, but I wanted a full-looking container from the beginning. First, I added the fern to the back end of the container as it was my tallest plant. Next, I added the pink Fittonia nerve plant to the front of the glass container to add more color to my terrarium. Next, I added the bird's nest fern and finally the strawberry begonia plant. The reason I chose these plants were because they grow a maximum height of only 12 inches, requires moderately moist soil and medium light. I was going for a whimsical woodland look, so I added some moss, rocks, and also created a river using blue stones. All these elements in the terrarium gave it a woodsy look. Mr. Plants placed the lid on the container and placed the jar where it will get light. You want it near a light source, yet not sitting on a windowsill where it will bake in full sun. Remember, the closed nature of the container makes it retain heat. Wow! This looks so beautiful! I've always wanted to create my own world that I can look into and get lost in it. This window will give enough light for my plants to grow for many, many years. I can't wait to show my grandparents this beautiful craft. If you really like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, and see you next time.